everyone, my name's Danielle. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. This is a fun show where we make board game themed pieces and components from your favorite board games. I hope you had a very happy new year. We're going to start the new year with the game Mountains of Madness. So I guess we're going to start off the year going crazy. Hopefully we make it to the top and escape. But I love the artwork for this game. It's created by Iello Games, and I specifically love there's this cute little airplane that you have as a model. So instead of creating an actual component from the game, we're going to try and recreate the mountain itself. We're going to make snowball cookies, which are also called Russian tea cakes, and try and pile it up like the mountain. And I may or may not steal a piece from Dungeons & Dragons to make the little climbers going up to them. Here we go! To create our snowy mountain, we'll need 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup finely chopped nuts, a 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter softened, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and you want additional powdered sugar for rolling/dusting the cookies, about 1/2 cup. To make the dough, mix the butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla in a large bowl or stand mixer. Once smooth, add the flour, nuts, and salt. Keep stirring until the dough holds together and a crumbly dough forms. I used a tablespoon cookie scoop and rolled them into balls in my hands. The goal is to have balls about 1 inch in diameter, and they should be placed 1 inch apart on the cookie sheet. If the cookies spread, it'll only be slightly at the base. Bake the cookies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies should be set but not brown. These cookies are usually a little bit dry, so you definitely don't want to overcook them. Let the cookies cool long enough to avoid burning your fingers. While they're still warm, pick up the cookies and roll them in extra powdered sugar. Return them to the cooling rack to cool completely. Sometimes, making something board game themed doesn't have to be technically difficult or flashy. I literally used the cookies to form a cookie mountain and sprinkled the whole mountain with powdered sugar. However, there's a lot of room to be creative, so it's not just a pile of cookies. I may have stolen some Dungeons & Dragons minis to be the adventurers on their treacherous journey. I also used some cardstock to create a Mountains of Madness scene to display the perilous situation of the players. I may have had a little too much fun channeling my inner child, but it was fun, and that's what baking should be all about. Voila! Our Mountains of Madness Mountain of Snowball Cookies is complete. I think it turned out great. I like this as a bake to begin the year because the cookies themselves are very simple. That design is pretty simple. You could also choose to make it as thematic as you want, or just keep it a simple pile of cookies and people either understand the reference or it's just a full pile of cookies. If you want to see my full-blown Mountains of Madness scene, click below on my Instagram and the picture's there. While you're down there, hit subscribe and make sure to tell all your friends who like baking and board games about this fun channel. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. I think it's time to try a cookie. I must admit, these are some of my favorite cookies. And I'm going to get all of it. They're naturally a little dry because they're literally coated in layers of powdered sugar. But they're delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Ah! What is that huge shape? He's bigger than the mountain.